Here's a 1972 Ford Bronco that was turned into an EV. Oh, here you go. Forget about your 4Runner.
I might take this one.
Yeah, forget about your 4Runner. Look at this. $380,000. Good Lord. Now, people really like the Bronco, hence the comeback recently, and everybody's buying those things up. I'm seeing a lot more of them on the road, actually.
Yep.
They're starting to roll out there, but they're not as cool as this one, because this one is a completely restored 1972 model, which just looks like a monster as well, with those big tires and wheels on there. And then it's been turned into an electric. It's an EV, fully electric. Look how clean it is under the hood there. Yeah. Now, I always wonder about this because it's such a one-off. It's like if anything goes wrong with it, you're so dead.
Yeah.
Range, okay, so there's two models. They have one with 200 miles of range, and then there's a GT model that starts at 380,000, which has 3 miles of range on a single charge. 18-inch wheels, and Willwood disc brakes, and 33-inch Toyo tires. You also get a 7-year warranty. All right. Mm-hmm. See, don't worry, Will. You give us that much money, you get a 7-year warranty. Yeah, this would be so cool to drive around in the summer like that, or even in the winter on some snow. Uh-huh. What is the top like, though? Do they show it with the top on? Or only with the top off? I guess it's a soft top. I honestly don't remember. Or is it one of those clip-on ones? Either way, very cool. Oh, you have more pictures for us. These things look amazing. They look amazing. Look at that.
Yeah.
No wonder the Bronco had to come back.
Oh, here we go.
The Lux GT edition is the coolest one, obviously.
Very cool.
Yeah. Each one of these is a one-off, so it's got to, I mean, it's like by hand, those restorations. Of course, it costs money to do these things. Mm-hmm.